What's up everyone? So just wanted to show off the new wheels I got for the car. So these are the Aodhan DS02s. I got the aluminum finish on them. The fronts are 285s for tires and 305 in the back. I'll show you the 305 after. It's a 19 by 11, so it has a bit of poke, as you can tell right here. It's not really flush with the fenders. The back is kind of a little bit more flush, but not really. And I'll try and show you guys the actual tire width there. It's very meaty. And my car is running stock struts and shocks, stock springs, all that kind of good stuff. However, the front is a lot higher, as you can tell. I think 3 fingers could fit in here. I will lower the car later, but at the moment not really bothered by it. I actually like it. I have a lot of clearance, so I don't really care about the ride height at the moment. The rears are lowered a bit. Now I don't mean lowered like I lowered them. I mean like, yeah, it's 2 fingers here. I mean like all the weight is bringing it down, so the chassis mount, all the junk in the trunk. I have a lot of garbage in there, unfortunately. Let me know what you guys think of the car. Still needs some repairs. I didn't fix a lot of things on it. The hood, for one, still kind of broken. I wouldn't say broken, but there's a gap. The lights, you change those. Yeah, just minor touch-ups. Otherwise though, I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll try and get some different angles for you guys to see what the wheels look like. Show you guys up close. They're actually really nice. I just washed the car, but unfortunately got dirty on the way here, so still need to make it louder though. A lot louder actually. I'll try and show you guys what I mean. Now, don't be talking shit. It's an auto. Get over it. If I can ever start the car. Yeah, it needs to be a bit louder. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll try to make a video on the intake as soon as I get it. Peace, guys, and stay tuned.